areas of fog.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois.
East central Montauk County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15
At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Newark, 47 miles southeast of Sheridan, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, Yorkville, Morris. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe for your protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. Impact, damage to... Locations impacted include Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, Yorkville, Morris, Newark, Lisbon, Plattsville, and Norway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois.
For socialism